Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to today's 10th standard maths class, Triangles. Today let us prove Pythagoras theorem. You are already familiar with the Pythagoras theorem from your earlier classes. Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician. But before him, this theorem was earlier given by an Indian mathematician Baudhayana. That is why it is also referred to as the Baudhayana theorem. It states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. So what does it states? In a right angle triangle. So let us draw a right angle triangle. Here I am drawing a right angle triangle where the right angle is formed. I am taking as a vertex. So see children clearly. So right angle I have drawn at the vertex and I am naming that right angle as ABC. So the right angle is at B. So I will be writing now what is given. So only the triangle is given in right angle triangle angle B is equal to 90 degree, or else you can write in a sentence also. We have given a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, I have not mentioned here. ABC, B is 90 degree, right? Now next is to prove. Now do you remember children which is the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle? Which side we call it as hypotenuse? Always the side opposite to right angle is called as hypotenuse, isn't it? You remember this? So hypotenuse is the longest side in right angle triangle. So we write here to prove the square of the hypotenuse. So according to this, which is the hypotenuse here? AC, isn't it? So square AC square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So which are the other two sides now? AB and BC. Sum means we add up, right? So we write is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now only with this triangle we cannot prove this statement, right? So I am going to construct something. So what is that? Construction. Let us draw, right? Now see children, I am going to draw a perpendicular through B to AC and I am naming it as AD, right? So which is our construction? BD perpendicular to AC. Next step is proof, right? Statement and reason. Statement and reason. Now we can see many triangles over here after the construction, and all the triangles are right angle triangle, right? So ADB and ABC triangle, if you compare, both are right angle. So triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Why it is similar? So earlier we have studied that similar triangle, they are of same shape but not size, right? We call it as similar triangles. Now D is 90 degree, B is also 90 degree, right? A is common to both. So A and D, B all are similar to each other. So that we can write here reason as similarity of triangle, right? Now what we can write by the similarity? We know that if the triangles are similar, the sides are proportional, right? So I am writing here AD, for that which is the side? Proportional, that is AB. So when you write AB, your AD, you have to write it as AB. If you write DA, you have to write it as BA, right? Is equal to AB by, now AB is the hypotenuse of ADB triangle. Now for ABC, which is the hypotenuse? That is AC, right? Now the reason is sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. Now what I'll do? Cross multiply this. If I cross multiply, what do we get? AD into AC, that is AB into AB. What is that AB into AB? AB square. This I am taking as equation 1. Next I am going to take another set of triangle, that is BDC. In triangle BDC, which is also similar to triangle ABC. So I will not write here in. Triangle ABC is also similar to ABC. Why it is similar? Now again it is the same reason. It is D is 90 degree here, B is 90 degree. Whether C is common in both? Yes, no? Now that is why both are similar triangle. So the reason is similarity of triangles, right? Now once again I will write the ratio. The sides are in proportional. Now I am taking DC. DC, when you take DC, which is the proportional side? That is BC. Is equal to, now I am taking here this BC in BDC, which is the hypotenuse BC, right? So which is the hypotenuse in ABC? That is AC. Now understood how to take the corresponding sides. So what is the reason here? Sides are proportional. Why it is proportional? Because they are similar, right? Now once again I will cross multiply. What do we get here when you cross multiply? DC into AC. BC into BC. How many BC? BC square. This I will take it as equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, that is I am going to add now. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So whatever in the left hand side, I will add that first. That is AD into AC, that is from the first equation, plus what is here? DC into AC. In the right hand side, we had AB square in equation 1. In equation 2, it is BC square. Now look at LHS, left hand side, which is common here? That is AC. I will take outside the bracket. So what is left over if you take AC? AD plus. Now AC is taken out. Which is left out? DC. Here I am writing this only, AB square plus BC square. Now see children, AD plus DC. What do we get if you add AD and DC? Are we getting AC? Are we getting AC? Yes, isn't it? So AB square plus BC square. Now AC into AC. How many AC? That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now see the result over here. AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to sum of the other two sides. Now whether we have proved this theorem? Yes, no? Very easy theorem. That is Pythagoras theorem. Take down home assignment. State and prove Pythagoras theorem. See children, this is very important theorem for 5 marks. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.